This marine Bluetooth stereo receiver feels purpose-built for boats and outdoor vehicles, with a rugged design and a water-resistant rating that stands up well to spray and bad weather. Wireless pairing is quick and stable, letting you stream music or podcasts from a smartphone or media player without dealing with cables bouncing around. Despite its compact footprint, the unit delivers clear stereo sound with enough power to cut through engine noise on boats, golf carts, and off-road machines. In addition to Bluetooth, you can play audio from a universal serial bus drive, plug in through the auxiliary input, or rely on the built-in AM and FM tuner for news and sports. The front universal serial bus port can also top up a phone, so you can keep streaming all day without worrying about battery life. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the standard single DIN style footprint, and the sealed faceplate helps keep fog and moisture away from the display and controls.